One of the many funny stories that my husband Alfred likes to tell about his family was that his daughter in elementary school, they were getting ready to move from North Carolina to Virginia because of a job change. And one day she said to him, "Daddy, something's preying on my mind." And being the good father he is, he stopped immediately and said, "Honey, what is it?" And she looked at him and she said, "Do they have pizza in Virginia?" That's become a question that we use a lot in our family. Is there something preying on your mind? All of us have characteristics that kick in. Alfred teases me that mine is that my voice pitch gets high. So if he asks me a question and I ask in a high-pitched voice, it probably means something's preying on my mind. We live in a world of which there's so much uncertainty, so many things that we can't control, so many things that we don't know. But one of the things that I take great comfort in, which has happened as I've gotten older in life, is that now things that happened even decades ago that I thought were devastating have turned out to be fine, because I wouldn't have what I have now or be where I am now if those things hadn't happened. So one of the most important things, not one of the most important thing I would say that I do every day, is sit in my prayer chair and just be quiet and listen for a little bit. Take deep breaths and share with God the things that are on my heart, the things that are preying on my mind. I'm sure that you have things preying on your mind. We all do. But I encourage you to remember what it says in Psalm 46:10. Be still and know that I am God. He has a plan for your life. And everything that happens will ultimately turn out all right. Because after all, this world is not our home. But in the meantime, while we're here, we want to do the very best we can. So I challenge you today to ask the question, what do I need to do today to be happy with my progress? And then make sure you do that before you do anything else. And that will start every day as a blessing.